So here it is. It cost £9 something, so just under £10. And we have all these colours. So this is what came in the box, the LEDs. I think this is the microphone for the music, so it reacts to every beat. And then you've got obviously the adhesive, and then something to clean it beforehand. Obviously the back of these and wherever you're going to stick them. Got a little remote as well. And I opted for the USB because I don't fancy blocking one of the charge pipes like this. So I'd rather have a USB in one of them. This one I use for my phone, and this one I use for the Bluetooth. So I've got USB side on that side free, so I'll be using that. All I done was clean where I was going to stick it with the provided, and that's how much dirt was on there, so it would have stopped it from sticking properly. There we go, that's the end result. I've tucked everything in, and I haven't placed it here because, like I said, I want to use that as a phone charger. I've put it here, so I've tucked that in. This is for the remote, so I had to keep it open. So it's here, so I can change the colours as I like. And the other one is just there. It's tucked in nicely, so it is no wires at all from both sides. The only one that's peeking out is this one, and that's because obviously that needed to be tucked in. I tucked it in by there, and it's come out like that. So I'll show you what it looks like in the night.